Disaster in the skies, the Washington mid-air collision. On January 29, 2025, an American Eagle passenger jet and a U.S. Army Black Hawk helicopter collided mid-air near Washington, D.C., in a tragic accident that shocked the nation.
Crash. This is alert 3. Crash.
A routine flight, a military training mission, and in an instant, disaster struck. On January 29, 2025, an American Eagle passenger jet and a U.S. Army Black Hawk helicopter collided mid-air near Washington, D.C., in a tragic accident that shocked the nation.
The water that we're operating in is about 8 feet deep. There is wind, there is pieces of ice out there, so it's just dangerous and hard to work in.
American Eagle Flight 5342, a Bombardier CRJ-700 aircraft, was on final approach to Reagan National Airport. At the same time, a U.S. Army UH-60 Black Hawk helicopter was conducting a routine training exercise nearby. For reasons still under investigation by authorities, the two aircraft intersected at the wrong time. The impact was catastrophic, sending both crashing down near the Potomac River, causing a major disaster and loss of life.
From the Department of Transportation and FAA's perspective, we are going to offer full support to those on the ground, to the mayor, but also to the NTSB, who is going to be conducting the investigation in this matter.
Debris rained down over the area, with parts of the Black Hawk helicopter landing in the Potomac River, creating a chaotic and devastating scene, leaving onlookers in shock. Witnesses reported a loud explosion followed by a massive fireball in the night sky, which lit up the surroundings and could be seen from miles away. Despite the rapid response from emergency teams, all 67 people aboard both aircraft tragically lost their lives. There were no survivors, marking a somber day in history.